For this morning, for this presentation, I try to present you International Institute of Wellbeing, focusing on the young scientists, and I try to show you all the benefits you can have to belong to an organization as the IW. Perhaps you have already heard some words about IW because we are directly connected with the ISO organization for the creation of the standards. Today we have published more than 30 standards in welding and relative technologies. Also, we work with Springer Nature for the publication of books, and we have our own journal, which name is Welding in the World, with an impact factor close to 0.86, and for this year we hope to be close to 1. So we are very proud of the Welding in the World journal because we have a lot of relevant articles for various hot topics. And also we developed some international training in order to create an homogenization for diploma. So we deliver more than 10,000 diploma per year all around the world. Just to give you some key figures for the IW. IW today represents more than 800 experts and delegates who decided to collaborate into 100 technical and scientific units. For this year, we organize an annual assembly. This year, it takes place in Shanghai, and we expected more than 1,000 participants. Since 1988, we have organized more than 30 congress for young, but also for old people or scientists. And the IW is also a website. We cover more than 5,000 users, and you can find some documents which are presentation, article, guidelines, best practice, or also standards. And we have collected more than 20,000 documents you can benefit. I decided to join the IW 8 months ago because from my point of view, it is very smart association where the most important is to share about the science. And today, from my point of view, the share is very important if you want to collaborate, if you want to progress, and if you want to learn. The share all around the world is very the most important. And the story of the IW is very magic because the IW was created 70 years ago with 13 countries who decided to join together to work together on hot topics. The main objective is the promotion of the development of well-being by different processes without any profit. We are an association without any profit. It is very important because the most important for us is the science and the welding and all related technologies. Also, we organize periodical congresses where you can present your work, and it's very interesting and very benefit for us and also for you to share with your colleagues. We have developed different missions and goals, around 6 items you can read on the slide. The first is to identify, develop, and transfer the best practice. Today, the main topic is to share about the best practice, to give you some guidelines, to give you an help and a global network when you can share. Also, we would like to develop and implement an IW education, training, qualification, and certification program. The idea is to homogenize all the diploma all over the world. And if you study in Nigeria, you can have a work in Shanghai, for example. And one of the goals important also is to promote the young leaders through different events. For example, this Congress is a good example, but you can find also different events. For example, we organize some speed dating for you, or some challenge, some competition where the young scientific can share and learn a lot. To present our organization, we have a board of directors who decided the strategy, the direction to give to the ILW. Under the board of directors, you can see the General Assembly at the top of the slide. During the General Assembly, some discussions are made between the member society. A member society is a country. So discussion is elaborated between member society and board of directors, so that we can inform everybody about our job. Under the board of directors, on the left side, you can see 3 working groups. The first is the standardization, because we are directly connected with the ISO standards to work together. In the same time, you can read the working group regional activities. It is a very good platform where you can share about your events. It is to say, when you want to find a congress about welding, about processes, it is a very good platform to make promotion of your congress. And finally, you can read the working group communication and marketing, because we develop a lot of support for you. For example, welding in the world journal. We develop also some technical brochure about the ILW, or we develop also some tablets you can use. For example, we develop a collection of radiographs if you use some NDT technique for your job. The International Authorization Board is focused on the education of the world, and the Technical Management Board is focused about 6 or 5 hot topics, which are the human factor, the structural integrity, training processes, and also industrial application. Everything to say, the most important is to focus about hot topics and to respond to a problematic actual in academic world or in the industrial world. Today, the number of member society or countries which are belong to the IWE close to 60. So first we are 13, today we are 60, and we hope to get more and more countries in the future. You can see in this map a very good distribution in Europe, America, but also in Asia. So what is the next for the ILW? You can see here short, medium, and long-term agenda, and you can see in the middle the Young Leaders Program, because for us, you are the future, so we develop a lot of programs for you, for promoting you and promoting your research. It's very amazing to see a congress where there is only young scientists, because sometimes for young people it's very difficult to find a congress where you can present your job. One of the goals of the ILW is to be the leading source of the global welding knowledge by making information available. The main